Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a 1972 Camaro here. It has less than 500 miles on a complete body off the frame nut and bolt restoration. It's got a great custom interior. It's got a 350 motor with a 4-speed air conditioning. Go to volocars.com, look at all the pictures top to bottom, especially the bottom on this one. You can read the information. You can find the price tag on this car and every car we have, along with a monthly finance option as well, if you go to volocars.com. Hope you enjoy our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, this is a Southern car, body off frame restored. The underbody looks to be all clean, rust-free metal. The rockers, the floors, the braces, the lower quarter panels, all clean metal. They prepped it and they painted it in the red oxide primer, like a lot of the cars left the factory in. So it's all primered, clean metal floors. The front end, the subframe was removed. All brand new stuff. Everything still looks new. I mean everything, down to the cotter pins and clamps and everything. But the whole front end is rebuilt. Suspension, steering, you name it. The rear suspension, the springs, the bushings, all of it's been replaced. It has Hotchkiss gas shocks on it. A really nice sounding custom exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It's got the X pipes, got fat pipes, has polished stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. Really sounds great. Disc brakes up front, drum and back. E-brake cables are hooked up. Fuel system's been replaced, the gas tank shiny, the straps, fuel lines, brake lines, all that's been replaced. You look up at the motor, still spotless. Starter, fuel pump, all that looks fresh. Has a Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's all fresh. Everything attached to it looks new. Any wires or linkage or brackets, all looks fresh. Has a 10-bolt rear end in the back of the car. So underneath the car looks virtually brand new. The body is also super clean. The hood is straight, big long hood, straight, no issues. Fits square. I mean, this thing fits right on the money. No damage, no dents, no issues. Looking down the side, it is straight. These are really long doors, and they pick up dents right along this body line. This one does not have any. It's smooth along the bottom here. No bubbles, no damage, no dents. All nice and clean. It's all nice and clean. No issues. The roof is painted white. It's not a vinyl top. It's all painted. It's in excellent shape. Has a rear spoiler. The low one, they had a tall one and a low one. All clean. All fits really nice. Beautiful color. Like a ice aqua blue color. And the metal flake is laid out evenly. And it's polished very smooth and glossy. The white is a straight white, no metallic there. But getting back to the body, this side looks to be just as good as the other side. No dents, no bubbles, just a little bit of water splashed on it from pulling in here. There is chipped paint right on the edge of the door right there. It's close, but it's not touching. Maybe it was parked where it was a little twisted on a hill or something and it chipped the paint right there. Might want to give that a little bit more room so it doesn't get worse. So the body is excellent. The paint really doesn't have any chips or cracks or flaws like that, but I'd say the paint finish is equivalent to like a new car would be. Another wet sand and buff would make it like glass, but I think 99 people will tell you it's beautiful. Color is beautiful. Headlight bezels, the grille, the emblem, the bumper, all this stuff, turn signals, bezels, marker lights, all that looks new. The stainless trim, the gutters, the mirror, the seals on top of the doors, door handles, all that trim looks new. This trim here, It's a little more tarnished. This might be the original trim that's just been polished. In back, the bumper, the tail lights, all the trim, that looks new. The windshield's new. The rear window's original. Has a few light scratches, but I think it's better than most of them. The wheels. Has some nice polished torque thrust wheels on it. They look like they're 17-inch, and they are. It has some performance Nexen tires. They're wider in back than they are in the front, but they're both 17-inch. So let's open it up, show you what it looks like inside the car. See what the trunk is. Okay, so under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted real nicely. The weather strip has been replaced. Look how dry and clean the metal is. It's not patched or cut up. And it's all spatter painted real neatly. Yeah, nice clean trunk. The housings for the tail lights, the wiring harness, all looks like it's been replaced. Door jambs are nice and clean. Weather strips, window seals are replaced. Sill plates are new. The interior is awesome. The upholstery, I love that door panel. A custom-made door panel with a custom fabric, and just really cool. I got to show you the dash as well. It has VHX digital analog gauges, and then there's a button. Look at this over here. That hides your headlights. See, it lights up blue. You got blue lights in here. Vintage air controls. They're electric instead of the old cables. The more you push it, the stronger it gets. You got your wipers. So that's all hidden in there. And just a cool gadget. We all love our gadgets. So it's got a nice custom dash, matching clock, matches the gauges. This panel was made here for all your AC vents. Custom steering wheel. Down on the floor, we have new gray carpet. You got a Hurst 4-speed. The seats match the door panels. Really ultra soft. It's called ultra leather. Real soft. Has the same fabric pattern. The back seats were done to match. Got new seat belts with the Chevy logo. The side panels are all new. Headliner's been replaced. Dome light works. The mirror looks new. So it's got a great custom interior in it. .350 motor. It's got an aluminum intake with a Holley carb, electric choke. Has an HEI ignition hiding back there. Ceramic coated long tube headers. And look how fresh everything is. Well, it's got 450 miles on it. It's got a smooth firewall because it has upgraded heat and AC system. The radiator's new. Has a polished overflow bottle. Has a stainless shroud with a big electric fan. Has new horn, new alternator, new water pump. Got power steering. Here's the air conditioning. Washer bottles hooked up. The steering components look new. The wiper motor looks new. The wiring harness is new. So a lot of new parts throughout this entire car. So here you're going to get a body off frame restoration with under 500 miles on it, a Camaro 4-speed with air. Love the custom interior, beautiful color, sharp looking wheels. It's a nice car. I personally drove the car home. It ran and drove and functioned real well. Along with the new wiring harness, I just noticed it has a new fuse panel with the push-in fuses. Also, there's a stereo in the glove box, a modern stereo, and there's a remote control to operate it as well. And you got 6x9 speakers in the back. So, car's got a lot going for it, and it's very affordable. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your garage. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on our bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.